welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we would be talking about strategic planning and management. This is my lecture number 6. In this lecture, I will be talking about hierarchy of strategy. This is really very important. There are 3 important levels of strategy. Number 1, corporate level strategy. Number 2, business unit level or business what we call division level strategy. And number 3 is called functional level strategy. So let's talk about the first one, that is called corporate level strategy. So corporate level strategy sets the strategic goals for the company as a whole, while on the other hand a business level strategy sets the strategic goals for the business unit or the division. If a company is small, a corporate and a business strategies are one in the same. Remember that at the lowest level, what I call the functional level strategy, or it is also called the area level strategy, that sets the strategic goals to deliver on the business or corporate goals and to continue on strengthening, improving or enhancing the functional area itself. So if we move further to understand in bit detail, the corporate level strategy means it is the highest level of business strategy, and it is the broadest, widest, more open and long term. You should craft your corporate level strategy with what I call your main purpose in your mind. That is important. The main purpose of the organization, the main reason of existence, that sets the corporate level of a strategy. Okay. So the second level which we discussed was the business unit level strategy. The business unit level strategy, here you define separate strategies for various industries. You operate in, wherever you operate in. Business owners or the managers who operate in many different niches must decide which to focus on most, and that may change over as the time passes. So business unit level strategy is most of the times the area focus, or where to focus more and where to focus less. That is important. While the functional level strategy, the third level of strategy, here what I call when you craft functional level strategy, you are concerned with smooth internal operations. This involves how departments operate and interact and how they support your corporate level strategy day in and day out, means on daily basis. So on the basis of this, the functional level strategy can be based on manufacturing oriented, finance, marketing, research, and other human resource. So all these functions, all these functional units, how they work through interaction, that is functional level strategy. All right, so let's recap. In this lecture, I covered the corporate level strategy and the business unit level strategy, and finally functional level strategy. My name is Dr. Zia. I thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel and also like and share with your friends and family members. I thank you very much.